Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Audi S3 key, updated. Start by finding the small release tab on the key fob and press it firmly while sliding the housing to reveal the emergency key blade. With the blade out, check the driver door lock cover for a notch, pry it open gently, then insert the emergency key and turn steadily to unlock the door without forcing the mechanism. When the remote fails, use the emergency key blade to unlock the door manually and avoid damaging the fob. After removing the blade, inspect the door lock cover and gently lift it with a flat tool or your fingernail. Insert the blade fully, turn with steady pressure, and open the door. If it resists, stop and inspect for obstructions to prevent bending the key or harming the cylinder. If this guide helps, please subscribe and like to support more car tips. Quick recommendation: pick up those leak-proof meal prep containers to keep snacks or tools tidy in your glove box. They seal well and save cleanups when things spill during repairs. I find them handy for small parts and emergency rations, so check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the fob stops working, start with a fresh battery first and test buttons before more advanced steps. Try resensing by closing all doors, pressing lock on the fob, and using the vehicle's onboard sequence if available. For internal damage, corrosion, or persistent faults, consult a dealership or qualified locksmith to avoid costly mistakes and ensure the electronic immobilizer remains intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.